heard like.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's here.
The car's here.
But I probably pulled it up
I
and
see
looked
someone
at it.
here.
Hmm?
Down there.
Y'all hush, I'm gonna roll my window down. Look, they don't even freaking care. They don't care.
You're like, tourist.
Quick! Zachary.
Look at the deer.
Can I say something? Can I say something to
Those
the
are all those though.
Yeah, but bucks lose their horns at some point in time.
What? But those are all does. Bucks are bigger. Those are all those females.
That truck too. They are used to that truck. Okay.
They're chill.
That's cool, huh?